I'll explain in a minute. Hi, I'm Nadine Thornhill, sexuality educator, and joining me again today is Albus Dumblecat! Yay! Last week we talked about the importance of making sure that teens know how to put on an external condom if they are having sex involving a penis. This week we are going to be talking about how to insert an internal condom. Unlike an external condom which goes on a penis, an internal condom goes inside the vagina or the anus. And even though the package, or this package, has a big female symbol on it, these condoms can be used by people of all genders and by people with all body types. In some ways, using an internal condom is the same as using an external condom, and in some ways it's different. So let's have a look. As with any condom, the first thing you want to do is have a look over the package and make sure there aren't any rips or tears. If you do notice the package is compromised in any way, get rid of it. Next, you're going to open the package carefully. Now, as I said, I usually open mine starting at the top edge because there's actually in this package a little notch that's already been cut into it. So I'm going to very carefully, making sure I do not rip the actual condom, open my package. And then next you are going to slide out your condom. Once you have your condom out of your package, you'll see it's fairly large relative to an external condom. So you're just gonna open it up and you'll see that there are two rings. At the opening, there's this very flexible ring, and then down on the inside is a thicker ring, but also flexible. See, you can see it there. Now, if you are using this condom for anal penetration, what you are going to do is you are going to take this ring out. So you just reach in, it's not attached, slide it out. If you're using it for vaginal penetration, then you just leave the ring in where it is. This brand of condom comes already lubricated, which is great because, as we mentioned in the last video, lube can really enhance pleasure, and it's really necessary if you're going to be having penetrative anal sex because the anus is not self-lubricating. But if you happen to be using a brand that doesn't come already lubricated, then you can get some store-bought lube and lube it up yourself. If you are inserting the condom into a vagina, what you're going to do is you are going to take a hold of the clear plastic ring and you are going to squeeze it together, and then you are going to slide it into the vagina as though the same way you would with a tampon if you use tampons. And then you're going to slide it in, and then you're going to have some of the condom outside of the body. So you want this ring sort of sitting around the vulva. This can actually kind of function as a kind of a dental dam if you want. If you are using this for anal penetration, like I said, you want to have removed that inner ring. And so what you're going to do is you are going to take your fingers and gently, because it's the anus, you're going to slide it in, and you want, again, a little bit of the condom on the outside of the body. So my cube has the condom in. I'm going to assume that they are very aroused and there's been, lots of play and good times, and they're ready. They're ready for penetrative sex now, and it's gonna be good. I'm weird. Penetration has happened. Let's assume it was awesome. And now the person with the penis has ejaculated. As soon as that happens, you'll need them to withdraw from their partner. And you want them to do that carefully so that they don't, disrupt the condom. And if you need to, you can hold it with a couple of fingers as the person with the penis is pulling out. As soon as the person with the penis withdraws, then you want to take out the condom. Take this outside bit and give it a twist. So it's closed, and that way when you pull it out, you're not going to spill any semen inside the person's body. Now the condom is out, it is time to throw it away. And I know nobody is going to throw it away on the ground because you're not animals. The best place to throw it away is in a trash can. External condoms might clog your toilet if you try to flush them down the toilet. These for sure will. And that is how you insert, use, and remove an internal condom. That's all for now. If you guys have any topics you want me to discuss or make a video about, let me know down in the comments because I'm always open to suggestions. Other than that, I hope you have a great day and I will see you soon. Bye.